Hi guys, Pickbeard here, and today I'm going to pick this Euro cylinder. It's a 5-pinner. It's a Mila. No key for this one. Get it in the vise. Get a nice frame on it, and let's get picking on this thing. It's locked up. If all goes well, I'll gut it and we'll have a look, see what's in it. I think it's all standard pins. Might be a little bit of tapering going on the pins, I think. Generally start at the back with this one, move it forward a bit, find the binding pins, give them a little push. It does open on pin 1, I believe. Get a nice bit of a false set off, I think, pin 3 or 4, I think. Might be totally wrong. Just got to get the tension just right on it. And then it does. There's a nice little false set on that there. Nice little turn of the cord. Another little bit of 2. And 1. It should give some counter rotation and open. So let's get this thing it's picked open. Let's get it gutted. So here it is here. Let's move the vice out of the way. Let's put it down there. Right. Try and get the camera steadied a bit. Let's move that right out of the way. Get this clip off. Normally the trickiest bit. Being very careful not to stab yourself in the finger and not to lock it back up. So let's turn the cord a bit like that. Plug follower. And there we go. Just the pins out. 1, 2, 3. Oh, give it a shot. 4 and 5. Core has got really anything going on in there. Not anything going on there at all. So that's that bit done. Let's have a look at what's in the Bible. Standard in 1. Standard in... oh no, spool in 2. Standard in 3. Spool in 4. Standard in 5. Let's have a look in the Bible there. Standard springs in there. Nothing major going on. Perhaps different heights. Different height on 1 and 4 for the springs. But apart from that, nothing special. Let's have a bit of a close-up of the pins. And then we go again. All standards on the bottom key pins and the drivers. Let's see if they were tapered slightly. Not looking like they are. Let's have a close look. Slight tapering on them, only ever so slightly. But there you go. Not the best spools in the world. A bit rough, but I think it's quite an old lock anyway. So thanks for watching, guys. Pickbeard out.